What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's your girl Chris and welcome back to my channel. And today we're back with another Fashion Finesse YouTube edition. We're not just cutting our clothes, we're gonna cut our daddy's clothes too. I want to show you guys how to transform a man's shirt to two different tops. You know what, let's just jump right into the video. Peace. I'm using a large men's shirt, but you can use any size you want. The items you're gonna need is, of course, your shirt, something to mark with, seam ripper, scissors, pins, and I'm using my sewing machine. Okay, if your top has a pocket, just go ahead and use your seam ripper to remove it. And you just want to try this on, and you want to mark where you want to make your cut and just cut straight across. Okay, it should look like this, and I'm just gonna do a roll hem. Just roll it once and pin it, and you're gonna do this all the way around. Should look like this, and you're just going to sew that down, and this is where you're going to put your string. Okay, so now we're going to make the string part, and you just want to get that other piece and fold it in half. You want it to be perfectly even, everything lined up together. And my string was maybe 1/2 inch, so you're just going to cut straight across, just basically rolling it over and over again till there's nothing else to roll. So this is like a perfect string. I suck at explaining stuff. And you're gonna just sew that down just like that. Now you're gonna take a safety pin and you're just gonna put it at the end of your string, and you're gonna pin the other end against your shirt like that. Take the end with the safety pin and just feed it through the hole. Should look like this, and you're just gonna tie that on once you put it on, just like that. Now for the other shirt, I'm just basically cutting that bottom piece off just so it could be even and more like a square shape. And I got rid of the little button strip and the buttonhole strip. I don't know what it's called, but there's a name for it. And I just did a roll hem all around my top. That is it. This is how it looked. I actually used the other piece as a headband. But yeah, super cute and simple. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And it's your girl Chris. Peace.